Hey everyone, this is Gary from Compass. Today we're going to edit some audio in Suno. I'm actually pretty happy with the results of this track, but I'd like to show you how to make a change to one of the transitions. First, let's give this a listen so I can show you what I'm talking about. Coming up here. We're going to put a short drop in here, and in order to get there, we're going to press Edit. When the editor first loads, you won't be able to do anything until you select one of the menu items at the top. In this case, we're going to use Replace Section. If you don't do this, you will not be able to select any audio at the bottom. Suno actually gives us a little bit of control here by allowing us to change the style, which is similar to using a prompt. On the previous screen, I showed you the section I wanted to change. So I'll select 114 on the timeline. Suno's editor is actually quite powerful. They gave us the ability to zoom into the timeline. Zoom in enough to see where your section ends while keeping it in the center of the screen. Let's listen to the section that we're going to change. Here I'm going to crop out and continue to zoom in so that I can easily select the very end of the clip. You don't always have to be this precise, but in this instance, I want to protect where the music comes back in again. And you can see how zooming in far enough is important. Let's try generating without making any changes to the style. While those clips are generating, let's change the style to fade out. Let's listen to the generated tracks with the default style. Now we're going to generate two new sections with the new style. After skipping ahead so you don't have to wait, here are the two new generated audio clips. Unfortunately, this interface is still a little bit buggy. When you play the second audio clip, it automatically zooms out. Anyway, that doesn't affect what we're trying to accomplish here. It looks like the first track worked and the second track didn't. So let's play that track again and then add it to our song. I'm going to zoom in here so you can see the audio track, but you don't need to do this. All you have to do is press the button. Adding the video clip to our song doesn't take very long at all. And once this completes, I'll show you the final result. just going to zoom in here a little bit so you can see the clip. Great, it looks like the clip was added in seamlessly. Okay, that brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you'd like to learn more about Creative Compass, there's a link below the video that you can check out. Thanks for tuning in. I hope to see you again.